Okay, everybody, today's Wednesday, October 18th, 2023. We're out here at Championsgate in the north phase, which is the final phase for the villas. We have a Majesty Palm on home site 46 that just came back to the market yesterday. This is a completed inventory home with a huge incentive for someone that can close quickly. You know, if you're looking for a great deal, we're in Lennar's fourth quarter. November 30th is our fiscal year end. This is a completed inventory, so this is the deal you've been waiting for. Anyway, I'm gonna pan around so you can see the community. We're still building across the street. All of these homes will be finished in the next 30 days. Because this home was a corner unit, you do have some additional parking on the side, which is fantastic for the vacation homes. This is this home is zoned for short-term rentals, so it's a vacation home. Has a long driveway, so you can get multiple cars, brick pavers. Has a pool, jacuzzi, 1 bedroom down, has 5 bedrooms upstairs, great rental, and we're only 20 minutes from Disney, so it's a great location. Bedroom number 1 downstairs, overlooks the front, full bathroom, quartz countertops, beautiful tile. Kitchen area here to the left, comes with all stainless steel appliances, French door refrigerator, 42-inch cabinets, dining room, family room. And of course the pool. So you have the covered lanai, the pool, the jacuzzi. Go upstairs as well. Comes with all the appliances, including the washer and dryer. Here's the laundry room. And then there's a 1-car garage, which a lot of people turn into a game room, as you can see. And then upstairs, there's 5 bedrooms, 4 baths. Actually, 5 bedrooms. Yeah, I did say 5 bedrooms. Okay, so you have the upstairs loft. Bedroom number 2 is a suite. Looks out the front and the sides, so it has its own own bathroom. Bedroom number 3 looks out the front as well, and there's a full bathroom right next to bedroom number 3. You have the upstairs loft area. Bedroom number 4 is going to look out the side. A full bathroom right next to bedroom number 4 and bedroom number 5, which looks out the back. And finally, bedroom number 6 is the master bedroom, which looks out the back. And a beautiful bathroom. Double sinks, water closet, separate tub, separate shower, beautiful home. Let me know what you think. This one's gonna go fast. Hope you liked it.